Look, who is hiding behind this question mark? Can you guess? Let's see. Uh-oh. I see something blue.
Oh.
Is it letter C? I think I know what this is. It's the letter G. Letter G. We will write the letter G. Great job! Let's become jungle detectives. Use the magnifying glass. We are searching for G things. Yes, you found the goat. Goat starts with the letter G. Next one. Grapes. Grape starts with the letter G. Awesome! Now look up high. Can you spot the giraffe? Giraffe starts with the letter G. Well done, detectives. We found goat, giraffe and grapes. All starts with G. Look, so many dots. Let's count and connect them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Going on. Wow! We made the letter G. Let's color the letter G with the orange color.
Oh.
Oh, look, it's a giraffe. Giraffe. Please subscribe to KidsMV for more ABC fun.
Click subscribe, come and play with KidsMV every day.